Hello and welcome back to the Saurabh Designs YouTube channel. For today's quick tutorial episode number 9, I will teach you how to create neon glow effect in Photoshop using simple steps. Open the image, then add a new layer. Now select pen tool and create a line like this. Now click right and click on the stroke path and hit OK. Here you can see the line. Now add a stroke to the line, choose the color and hit OK. Copy the layer 1 and name it layer 2. Edit the stroke for layer 2, change the color from white to red and increase the size of stroke. Now again copy layer 2 and name it layer 3 and also change the color and increase the size of stroke. Right click on stroke and choose create layer. It will create layer for stroke effect. Now add Gaussian blur to the layer 2 outer stroke and layer 3 outer stroke. Now select all stroke layers and group it. Add a mask to the group and remove unwanted parts. Now add hue and saturation adjustment layer to create glow on person's body. After applying some finishing touches, here is the final result. Now you can create neon glow effect by using these simple steps. I hope you have enjoyed this video, so please do like, comment and also subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new content. Bye bye for now. I will see you in the next video.